Hi everyone and welcome to under 3 minutes Tableau quick tips and tricks for new users of Tableau. In this video, we will see how to get field header for single measure in text table. So let's head over to Tableau. Now let's say I pull category, subcategory over here. Okay. And I have a single measure. Okay. I pull sales here. Now what happens is when you pull only a single measure, it never displays the field name. I don't see it here. Okay, what is it? Unless you see it here. Okay, so if this view is published, users will not come to know what value is this. Okay, so what you can do is just add, another measure here. Let's add profit here. You can drag it here. The moment you do it, you get this name, right? Sales, profit, right? Both of that you can. And then what you can do is go to filters, yeah, just edit filters, and you can keep only the one which you want. So I want only sales, right? So now I'm getting that field header name in a single measure. So this is what I was talking about. So new users struggle a lot to get this. What they do is normally they will publish this view and they will then create a text box, okay, which will fit here as sales. Okay, so no need to do all those things. You can just simply pull in another measure. This will give you a filter and you can using filter keep only the measure which you want. Okay, so I hope this trick was useful to you and do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.